Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for government arts colleges in Tamil Nadu. The first step involves creating an account on the dedicated Tiangasa online admissions portal. This centralized system simplifies the entire application journey for prospective students. Ensure you have a valid email address and mobile number for successful registration, as these are crucial for all future communications. Before starting your application, confirm you meet the general eligibility criteria, primarily passing your 12th grade examinations. Gather all required documents, including your mark sheets from 10th and 12th grades. Do not forget your community certificate, if applicable, and a recent passport-sized photograph. Ensure all digital copies, including your signature, meet the specified file size and format requirements. Once registered, proceed to fill out the detailed online application form. This section requires precise entry of your personal details, academic scores, and contact information. You will also rank your preferred colleges and courses, so consider your choices carefully. Take sufficient time to double-check every piece of information to prevent any errors before moving on. The next critical step involves paying the application fee, which can be completed conveniently through various online payment options. For general category candidates, the fee is typically around 50 rupees, while those in reserved categories pay approximately 25 rupees. Upon successful payment, a confirmation will be generated. Remember to download and print the complete application form for your records.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.